Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Autowatch Ghost 2 on this really lovely 2019 Mercedes GLC AMG. Customer specific brief was he wanted it to start and obviously not switch off or not be able to start because he wants to add remote engine start to this. So how the system works on this particular vehicle, if someone was to clone this key, jump in, put his foot on the brake and try and start it, vehicle starts, but as soon as I try and select a gear, you'll see it will go straight back into neutral. Okay, if I then switch the ignition off and then try and start it again, you'll see it just won't even start. Okay, so what the customer does is every time he jumps in the vehicle, starts the vehicle up, or tap the start button twice to get the main ignition lights on, or the yellow lights, insert his code, which we're going to change. So we've just done something very basic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a double flash from the full beam. There you go. Foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Okay, vehicle starts. I can select a gear and I can drive it away. Okay, if the customer wants to change the code, this is also very simple, and the way you would do that is start button on to main ignition, so all yellow lights on, insert the original code, so 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a double flash, then foot to the floor on the accelerator and repeat the same code again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When it begins to flash, let go of the accelerator. Insert your new code on here. We're just going to do something very basic, but we can go top, bottom, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to do it for video purposes. So if you watch when I'm pressed, I'm going to get a flash. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for 3 flashes to confirm the code. And then repeat that code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get a double flash if the first code is the same as the second. There you go. If it's incorrect, it will give us 4 flashes and then we start all over again. So start button off. So what I did now, just for video purposes, I changed it from here to here, I believe, or the other way around. I just can't remember. I might have left it the same, but anyway, let's just try it. So main ignition on, start the vehicle. Vehicle starts, insert our code. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the double flash. There you go, and I'm able to select a gear. So watch, and I'm able to drive it away. Okay. If the customer wants to place it in valet mode, the way you would do that is very simple. So what you do is you turn on the ignition to main ignition with all yellow lights on, insert your code, wait for your double flash, and then hit the driver's window up 5 times, which on the Mercedes is the service button, and then wait for 5 flashes, and that confirms it's in valet mode. When you get the vehicle back, just basically, as always, ignition on, insert your code. So let's just put it in valet mode. So turn the start button on without your foot on the brake, insert the code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the double flash. There you go. And then hit the driver's window up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's now in valet mode, so if I leave it for about 10 seconds, open and close the door. So I should be able to start it now and select a gear because it's in valet mode. Okay, let's just start the vehicle. Vehicle starts, select a gear, we're able to drive it away. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. Okay, so now when I want to take it out of valet mode for it to be protected again, basically just main ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the double flash. There you go. It's now out of valet mode. So let's just start the vehicle. Select a gear. Okay. Now let's just turn it off. Leave it for about 10 seconds, and then we'll try again. But as I said, on this particular vehicle, he wanted it to start, so he could have his remote start facility if he wanted to. Where some of them won't start, depending on the brief of the customer and depending on the vehicle. So let's just start the vehicle again now. So make sure it's immobilised. Vehicle starts, select a gear. There you go, just goes back into neutral. Okay, won't allow me to put it into gear. Okay, hope you found this video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 on this really lovely 2019 GLC AMG. Number to me is 02890604780, 02890604780. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.